Welcome, IST class. My name is Dylan, and with the help of my partners, Ben and Riley, we will teach you about recycling. Most of you probably understand the basic concept of recycling, but today, we're going to dig a little deeper into trash to show what recycling really is and how it affects our daily lives on campus. Now, I'd like to talk briefly about the history of recycling. Many people consider recycling to be a new practice. However, recycling has been around for many centuries. The first recorded practice of recycling was in 500 BC in Athens. It was the first municipal dump in the Western world. The law set in place dictated that waste must be disposed of at least 1 mile from city walls. Japan, in 1031, began the first recorded reuse of waste paper. All paper was recycled and repulped into new paper. In 1690, the recycled paper manufacturing process is introduced. The Rittenhouse Mill near Philadelphia made paper from fiber derived from recycled cotton and linen rags. In 1776, as America declares its independence from the English, rebels turned to recycling to provide new materials for the war.
Hi everybody, this is Dylan Moyer. So today I went driving around and I went to 2 locations. One was alongside the highway and one was on a back road. And this was more or less just to show everyone, the trash that lays alongside the roads and our impact that we have on the environment, and to raise awareness, because it's important that we keep our environment clean. Years down the line, this stuff's going to decompose, it's going to release toxic fumes into the environment. So it's just showing why it's important to recycle. Alright everybody, I'm out by Fisher Dam Road, close to my grandmother's house. It's a back road. Not many people use it, but there's still some trash laying around. Just thought I'd get out of my car and just show you the surrounding wooded area of the trash that's alongside. And there's some down here. And down the other way, there was some cans and some more paper. So just showing you guys around, just showing that it's not as much trash as there is on the highway, but there's still trash around. Alright everyone, I'm at 3C's Family Restaurant down by Port Clinton. Just to show you how much trash is around here. This is in the parking lot area. Just paper and trash everywhere. We got the highway right here, and I don't know if you can see the other side, but there's stuff all over the place.
Part of Penn State's efforts to limit waste and recycle include the community garden. This garden is available to the public and students and includes several flower beds available for planting. There is also a composter on site to eliminate waste and provide fresh fertilizer. Another way Penn State contributes to recycling is through Easy H2O. This eco-friendly water fountain refills water bottles so they can be reused and not thrown away. All across America, communities are coming together to contribute in the efforts of recycling. One such way a local community is achieving this is through community recycling bins. These bins collect all types of items including cardboard, plastics, metals, glass, and paper. There are also signs posted of the do's and don'ts in the recycling center and labels to help individuals recycle correctly.
Now that we've talked about recycling and its impact, let's talk about what you can recycle and how modern technology is involved. One of the most commonly recycled items is plastics, especially water bottles. Another example will be paper and cardboard, which are most commonly recycled in the form of paper plates and cups. Glass and metal recycling is also very important. Aluminum cans and glass bottles are just two of many examples of what can be recycled. Over hundreds of years, recycling has improved dramatically by modern technology. Almost all of recycled items stated before can be used again with almost nothing going to waste. Items such as metal, glass, and plastic are melted down and stripped of unnecessary chemicals such as paint so that they can be used again in manufacturing. These chemicals are also saved to be used again someday. You might be asking yourself, what about consumer electronics such as my phone or laptop? What happens to them after they are thrown away? The answer is actually quite simple. They normally are thrown to landfills to waste away and release toxic chemicals into the soil and water. They also take up a lot of space. This is a huge problem nowadays, but currently, we do have simple solutions most people are unaware of. One solution will be to sell your old electronics on places like eBay. eBay offers tools which allow you to sell your old electronics while making a decent profit. Another good option is to donate your old but still functioning electronics to a notable organization that will repair and repurpose your electronics for people in need. Most organizations will pay to have your electronics shipped to them. And lastly, if your electronics are broken beyond repair, you can always donate them to an organization that promises to scrap them for their precious metals such as gold and platinum to be used again. I hope this video showed you the impacts of recycling in our own community and has shown you how and where to recycle on your own. Thank you for watching.